Hello there, how are you? Welcome back. Well, today I'm going to show you how I installed this 10-watt solar powered vent fan in the barn. Now, this fan technically is not big enough. I need to put multiple fans across the ridge. The other thing, if you do look up the directions, you'll note that instead of me mounting this fan 18 inches from the roof peak, I mounted it underneath the peak cap because of the ridges on the metal roof. With the gasket that I have, I did not want water to get under that leading edge, and you'll see a little bit further in the video. So I opted to go ahead and mount it right here at the ridge edge where I could put that fan underneath the ridge cover, cap, whatever. Anyway, measured the hole, found something that was approximately the same diameter, and made a little pilot hole. Then I sawzalled the hole out, obviously, just a quick look from below. And then I pulled out this leading screw right here, and this vent should fit right up underneath there just like butter. And I'll give you a quick look at it from the bottom as I sat this in place. This was a very intentional install. It's right at the edge where I've got the inside barn dominium started and the actual barn itself. That way I could set up multiple vents like this to vent out the barn area where the animals are at. Now, technically I should have also used butyl tape on this, but my butyl tape was bad, so I opted to just fit it dry. On the ridges, I had to cut the notch out of this foam gasket so it would sit nice and snug to it. Once I got everything kind of dry fit in place, I went ahead and pulled my double stick tape off, or my tape off, so I get the double stick on the bottom of the vent fan. And then it just sits perfectly right between two of these raised ridges, and then where I cut the gasket out, that seals around the ridge. Where I put it up underneath the cap on the peak, it keeps water from running underneath the leading edge. And it has three settings: on at sun, on at 68 degrees, and off. So I can shut this thing off at any time. Alrighty then, I want to thank y'all for stopping by. Have a wonderful and blessed day. I'll see you next time.